Okay, you can start.
Hi everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav. In other videos, I told you about the 0 upon 0 conditions and how it is related to spirituality. But today actually I am talking about the infinity. What is infinity actually? Infinity is something like you don't have the boundaries. That is infinity. And infinity, how this sign has been made, I will tell you one very small example. Suppose you have the 0. Then again you have the 0. Then this is called like infinity sign. So it is very much related to 0. Okay. So everything here, like earth, right, earth or any kind of particle, they are trying to become circle or like sphere kind of shape. So that is actually 0. Today I will explain you how infinity related to spirituality. Previously I told how 0 is related to spirituality. Now I will tell about infinity. Infinity is something like the charam sima, that is maxima or maximum, the maximum point, the critical point. Okay, you have reached the critical point, but still that is not critical point, and you cannot reach, you cannot prepare the boundary. So that is actually the infinity. So I will tell about infinity, why it is not defined. It is in the same fashion. I will explain you, like 1 into infinity equal to infinity, 2 into infinity equal to infinity, 3 into infinity equal to infinity, and into infinity equal to infinity. So if you take this one that side, so infinity upon infinity equal to 1, infinity upon infinity equal to 2, like that, infinity upon infinity equal to n. So in the same manner it's not defined. Now I will talk about the constant. What is constant? Sorry to say, in schools there are so many teachers, they teach some students like we use whenever one variable is proportional to another variable or inversely proportional to any other variable, then we use constant, but we never tell that why constant is required. But exactly 30 to 40% people know why we use constant. But I will give you one examples which is actually related to constant, but you have to study why constant is required in normal mathematics, then you will understand what exactly I am telling. The time is limited, otherwise I would have explained you what is constant, but just going forward I am just explaining you how it is related to spirituality. See, infinity upon infinity equal to, okay, k means constant. So what we will do here, we will think about this infinity. Infinity means there is no boundary, there is no end point, and this is no end point. Now we talk about sthit pragya. What is this sthit pragya? Sthit pragya means you are not so much excited and you are not so much sad. If you have the misery, then that is not actually at that extent which will make you mentally unstable, and your happiness is not like that which will make you mentally unstable. So this is actually the first step of the sthit pragya. In sthit pragya, even you are not happy or you are not sad. If you have the misery, is it okay? And suppose if you have happiness, it is also okay. So ultimately this is the constant sthiti, that is actually sthit pragya. So what actually Gautam Buddha said, in my way I will explain you and try to understand. Suppose if you have the infinity, you have so much happiness, so much happiness, so much happiness. Ultimately if you have so much happiness, then you are this one, that your misery will go, right? So then only it will be constant. So what is happening here? This is going up, 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 but this constant is very difficult to be here. So ultimately you have to take back to the shunyatam sthiti, and your misery also should come to the shunyatam sthiti. When infinity upon infinity, 0 upon 0 equal to the same constant, means 0 upon 0 equal to infinity upon infinity equal to any number. That number is the person in the spirituality. Means he has seen the infinity also, is he seen this infinity also, 0 also, 0 also, but this infinity has come to the 0, because this infinity has the existence when just 0 is there. So ultimately this person is constant in each and every situation. So this is actually called the sthit pragya. And sthit pragya is very important and very useful for the people who really want to see the Paramatma. Now, as I told you in earlier videos, like whatever going outside the world, you are experiencing inside yourself. So what exactly it is? You are seeing something, ultimately your eyes are seeing something, and your mind is preparing the picture inside your body. So ultimately you are thinking also someone about someone, then you are thinking through your brain. So ultimately only you are in existence and others, the rest of the world inside you. So you should have the madhyasthiti. In madhyasthiti, I will tell you like 0 upon 0. So this is called, this sign is called the madhyasthiti. So either you have the infinity, you will have the madhyasthiti, you have the constant. So it is really a bit difficult to understand, but I will explain you in later videos, in later parts, how this one is there, how this one is there, how Vipassana Kriya related to this one infinity, and how other pranayam, other things are related to 0 and all. So these all the mathematics, and Aryabhatta was also the very big scientist, and he has given this number system to this kind of things like sign language. If you are going somewhere, then you have the sign language, where are you going and how the path you are following and all, but you have the language through which you can explain your thoughts in very good manner. So in the same fashion, what Aryabhatta has done, Aryabhatta has given the number system to the spirituality, also to other physical object also. So both are actually very important things to understand, which I will try to explain to other people so that at least they can understand the contribution of Aryabhatta and Buddha to our society. Thanks.